What's up, everybody? Welcome to our channel. If you're new here, very warm welcome from us here. If you've been here for a while, thank you so much for the support. We're having so much fun making videos. We want to make more. We want to kind of take you behind the scenes and show you how we live in our camper, where we live at, how we ended up where we're at, the whole deal. You guys can drop questions in the comments. If you have any question at all, drop it in the comments. We'll answer it as best as we can. It's Friday afternoon. The work week is over. Our work week is very short. We don't work a lot. That's one of the reasons that we live in the camper. We'll get to that later. But yeah, we got a fun weekend planned. UFC fight night tomorrow night. I'm putting a pork butt on the grill tonight. Gonna let that thing simmer for 16 hours. Probably a lot of cornhole, some baseball. You're gonna meet our neighbor Lane, a good friend of ours. He's got a channel coming out soon. We'll put the link in the description. And yeah, just come along for the ride. Let's have some fun. Fun is our #1 objective here. Fun, and that's final. So come on for the ride. Here we go. One of the members of the crew out here. Let's welcome Chief. Chief, what's up, buddy? Chief is 5.5 years old. He's a Pyrenees Retriever mix. Coolest, calmest dog you'll ever meet. He runs the show out here. He's always protecting us. And yeah, you can see right under him is Roxy, the Maltese. 10 years old, but acts like a puppy. You got an itch? Got an itch? Roxy, say hello. Say hello. In for dinner. And letting me know. This is Tomlin, our cat. We rescued him 4 years ago now. He's about 11 years old, maybe 12. I'm not really sure. He likes long walks on the beach. Actually, long walks in the woods. And aggressive pets. He's more like a dog than anything. And he's ready to eat. You hungry? Oh. Yum. Here you go. Here it comes. Woo! There you go. You're all set. Feast away. There's El Casa. 28-foot dreamer. We've been living in it for 2.5 years now. It has seen some days, folks. But we love it. There's an avocado tree we're trying to revive here from seed. Little garden. And the grill. Oh, let's go. I'm gonna set you down. This pork butt on a Weber kettle grill. You do not need a big old smoker to have good smoked meat, folks. You heard it here, and you've heard it everywhere multiple times. Don't go out and buy some expensive ass smoker when you can just do it all here. It's a lot more fun. And yeah, here's the other member of our crew. This is Lane's puppy. Oh, you smell that? This is Sage. Sage! Sage! Woo! Blue tick hound dog. Look at her smelling, ready to hunt. What do you smell? She's been a part of this crew for a month now. She's fit right in. What are you doing? Sage. Oh. Our friend is pulling up. He's also our neighbor. Lives in this tiny home right here. And I hear him coming down the road. Wait till you see this. Oh my God. What the hell? Honk that shit! Scared the fucking... Holy shit! What in the world? Where are we live?
Going down the road?
What?
Did you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I turned the Jake all the way on high. It was so loud.
God. Holy shit. Is that the one with all the bullets in it? Oh my God. Holy shit. That's badass. What are you doing to it?
Huh?
What are you doing to it?
I had to put a tranny in. All new fuel lines. Airbag. Cab.
Holy shit. What's that?
Got that wash in the cab.
Oh, did you?
Massive wash we got now.
That's sick. Holy shit.
On a lot of AC forward.
All those buttons. Holy shit.
Lights. This is a big brake on, off, low, medium, high.
Got this pork butt rubbed up with some holy cow from the people over at Meat Church. This stuff is money. You. A little past what we wanted. A lot past. We want it to be about 225. So the trick to regulate the temperature on this is these vents down here. You want to close them if you want less heat. You want to open them if you want more heat. Thinking of doing a video if you guys are interested in step by step on how to smoke something, ribs, pork, a brisket, whatever it is in this Weber kettle. So if you're interested, drop a question in the comment or whatever. Video down the road of how to smoke meat on a Weber kettle step by step. I'm not going to do it today, but if you guys are interested, drop a comment down below, and yeah, maybe I'll do a video from like a little step by step tutorial. So a little backstory on how we found this place. We're actually in the New Smyrna Beach area in Florida, if anybody knows where that is. A little outside of that. We were living at this RV park, and snowbird season rolled around, and we were promised that we could stay there as long as we want, and they pretty much kicked us out. So they lied to us all good. We roll with it. That's what we do. So we started to look around at other RV parks, and we rolled up on this one in Mosquito Lagoon, if anybody knows where that is. And we told the guy our story, and he said, "Why don't you guys go check out my property that I have? I got a couple campers out there, a tiny home. Looks like it's up your guys' alley. You guys got some dogs, run around. It'll be a little more free rather than at an RV park close to each other." So we checked it out, went out there. 5 minutes later, we rolled up on this place out here and we were sold. We said, book us as early as you can. So we got out of that RV park, came here, and we've been here ever since. It's like crazy how things work out. This is exactly what we envisioned 3 years ago when we started this. We wanted to live on somebody's property with a ton of land. These people actually don't even live at their house, so we're back here pretty much by ourselves other than our neighbors. And we've met some incredible people back here. We've met some incredible people out here, had some great experiences. We couldn't ask for anything more. We're so grateful.